Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's topic, we will see the history of the 26/11 Mumbai attacks, a group of terrorists who came to Mumbai and launched deadly attacks at different places. How did the terrorists plan this attack and who were the masterminds behind it? Let's watch. In the year 2008, on 26/11, which means on the date 26th of the 11th month, November, it so happened that in Mumbai, a group of 10 terrorists came and launched attacks at 12 different places. This incident killed nearly 174 lives and injured more than 300 people. These 10 terrorists were originally from Pakistan and belonged to the group named Lashkar-e-Taiba, from where they had taken training under their leaders, after which they had come to Mumbai. How did they reach this place? They had reached Mumbai by sea route, hijacking the boat they boarded. They terrorized those on board and also killed the boat's captain and thus diverted the vessel to their route and reached Mumbai. On reaching, these terrorists split into groups and headed to different locations and launched attacks. How? Watch ahead. A terrorist named Ajmal Kasab, along with his companion, came to CST, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus Railway Station, and opened fire randomly on the crowd. After about 10 minutes, there was an attack at another place and then another location, and this continued in different parts of the city. They also attacked the famous Taj Mahal Hotel. They set off bombs under the central dome of the Taj Mahal Hotel, setting off a massive fire. People ran helter-skelter. They held people as hostages and killed them. The whole incident occurred over 60 hours. For 4 days, the cops tried to nab these terrorists, but finally, in the end, 9 terrorists were killed, but only one, Ajmal Kasab, was caught alive. So after this long operation of 60 hours, how did this attack come to an end? Watch ahead. Specially trained commandos were called, who belonged to the National Security Guard, NSG. They came in rappelling from helicopters and landed on the site where the terrorists had attacked. They began their operation against those terrorists, in which some of the cops too lost their lives. And finally, they ended this attack. The terrorist Ajmal Kasab, who was caught alive, was interrogated and he revealed a lot of crucial information. He told that he and his group of 10 were trained to kill as many people as possible, even if that meant sacrificing their own lives. A suicide mission. With that intention in mind, they had reached here. To keep them going for 4 days, they had munched on dry fruits like almonds, which they were carrying in their bags. And along with it, they also had arms and ammunitions in their backpacks. So that's how they sustained. They were constantly getting information on their phone call from their Pakistani leaders about the location of the hostages in the hotel, as the whole incident was being telecast live through the media. The reports shown through media gave the terrorists an upper hand as they barged in and caught the people who were trying to hide in different locations. Kasab was hanged in 2012, 4 years after the incident occurred. the attack was such a tragic event that had occurred. Some movies such as Hotel Mumbai and the attacks of 26/11 were released that were based on this horrifying incident. This incident saw its effects not just in Mumbai, but it shook the entire world.